Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey trendsetters, so I'm gonna get right into it. This is the bob look, and y'all, I'm telling you, I love this style. It's super cute, super convenient. I love the styles of braids and any type of locks, anything, because it's like a get up and go method. But if you want to see how I completed this look, I just want y'all to stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm gonna get in depth, show you how I did it, the process. It took me over a span of 2 days, not the whole 2 days, but I started late. I started like more so in the afternoon, late afternoon, like maybe 2 o'clock, and then I got done at 2 o'clock in the morning due to the fact that I was eating and looking at TV. So I took a little break, like a little 4-hour break. But other than that, I can say this hairstyle probably took me a total of 8 hours if I were to put everything together. First day was the braiding process, and the second day was me actually curling it and separating it. But if you want to see how I got this style right here, y'all just stay tuned to the rest of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you later, trendsetters. Okay, so we're gonna hop right into it. I am using the Outre human hair pre-stretch in the 14-inch, and I'm using the 3x Kids pre-stretch hair by X-Pression. And I am going to start off with fresh blow-dried hair. I'm just combing it out for y'all just to see how it should look. Make sure you have it straight. I'm going to start by feeding in the braids. So you'll see me add a couple of strands of hair. I think I added like 4 to 5 pieces. You want to make sure that these are lightweight so that your head won't be too heavy. And then after I add like 4 to 5 pieces between my pointer and my thumb, I'm going to add the human hair in between, inside the same exact way through the pointer and the thumb. I'll probably turn it over like once and then flip it back, and then I'll continue to braid. And if I feel like I need to add an extra piece or two, I'll add it like I just did right there between my pointer and my thumb. I'm going to come down just a little bit, add another boho piece of hair, human hair, and I added like 2 to 3 strips in the front because I still want that fullness of the boho pieces. So I say if you want fullness, curliness, you can add at least 3 to 4 or maybe 5 pieces, but I only added 3. And at the end, I am going to add that boho piece at the bottom as well, but instead of flipping the boho piece back at the very, very end, I am going to just kind of braid it on down. And then after that, I am going to take the regular synthetic hair and I'm going to take a piece of it, and then I'm going to wrap it around my finger. As you can see, I do that like twice for a secure hold, and that's how you install your boho braids. I'm doing the same thing to this side, and you will just see how I try to get as close to the root as possible, and it's just the same process all over your hair. I am also going to show you how I rotted the ends, that the synthetic pieces that are straight, you got to rod those. Make sure when you rod those, you're going to put it up like in a spiral curl, as you will see later on in this video. Then I'm going to dip it in hot water. That was like the hardest part of the process, so make sure y'all have a towel on and be careful. And yeah, y'all, hope you like this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later, trendsetters. Love you.
I be going through the most, y'all be going just to boast, y'all be going just to toast, y'all be breaking bread, yeah my mama fed, daddy got on him a robe, it's Brandy when she was with Cole, I'm hanging on side of the boat, I'm tossing the diamond, they finding the rose, you calling me Jackie, I'm feeling like Job, what happens when praying don't cope, What happens when saying I'm cold? Maybe I'm Anna and Elsa, maybe I'm froze. Maybe the daily is prose, maybe it's murder she wrote. It's killing me. I'm feeling the enemy more than the Trinity. This ain't for sympathy.
Yeah. Now I'm writing another song to you, oh God. Father, show me your honesty one more time. Let my prayer rise to you, Lord, hear my cry. Give me faith to shoot these arrows in the dark.
I got me some enemies. They walking and talking like mommy. I'm trying to remind them the time is a runner. Shakara, my fear is near and it's gonna for me. Trigger finger, K-Spade, Bourdain, Robin Williams. It's a wonder to be alive. Hard is the way to life. Maybe cause we got a vice. Maybe cause we got a vibe. When it's time to die, every single night, I don't gotta get high. All I gotta do is swipe. Mine is a busybody, mine floating like a kite. I'ma grab it from the sky. Ask my daddy if he has it, can he make it happy, can he make it light? Abba, can you make it right? I don't wanna take his life, but it's telling me to go with it. Don't control it, just roll with it. Mind broken, just fix it, just twist it. My soul did it, and that trauma from mama, I know in it. Abba, Bible, and Effortless goes. My mind is a rebel, it goes. The devil is testing us hold. The blessed is next to the chest till it knows. The reverence hope, I know it's a hope. This ain't killing me. I'm feeling the Trinity more than the enemy. This ain't for sympathy.
Yeah. Now I'm writing another song to you, oh God. Father, show me your honesty one more time. Let my prayer rise to you, Lord, hear my cry. Give me faith to shoot these arrows. Way before BC, you ain't no CC. God of love ain't no way you gon' stop. You walk on the sea and you welcome me into heaven. Thank you for the cross. Lord, I find joy when I cry to you, cause you put my head closer to your heart. When I'm down hopeless, I need to cope. Let's I remind myself you never fall.